Malpractice lawyers near me. What you need to know. Are you a victim of medical negligence? Find out how a local attorney can assist you. Did you know? Medical mistakes are the third biggest cause of mortality in the United States, after only heart disease and cancer, according to National Academy of Medicine research. According to research published in the Journal of Patient Safety, 440,000 Americans die each year because of preventable medical mistakes. Many persons who have been victims of medical negligence are unaware that they have a legal case. According to a National Center for State Courts poll, only 30% of Americans who endure medical mistakes are aware that they can seek legal redress. The costs of pursuing a medical malpractice claim might be high in certain circumstances. Most malpractice attorneys, on the other hand, operate on a contingency basis, which means you will not have to pay any upfront fees. Why is medical malpractice important? Medical malpractice is defined as a healthcare professional failing to deliver a standard degree of care, resulting in patient damage or death. Mistakes committed during a medical operation, inaccurate diagnosis, or failure to diagnose a critical ailment are examples of this. Patients and their families might suffer catastrophic and long-term effects because of medical negligence. It can cause physical and mental pain, as well as financial difficulty and even death. A malpractice attorney is a lawyer who specializes in medical malpractice claims. They can assist victims in obtaining justice and recompense for their injuries and losses. Consulting with a local lawyer may make or break the outcome for you and your family. Medical negligence can have catastrophic and long-term effects. A local attorney can assist you in helping you find a lawyer to help you fight for your rights. Comment on what you think about this. And be sure to click on our like and subscribe buttons. Point 1. In the United States, medical mistakes are a major source of death and damage. Medical mistakes are the third biggest cause of mortality in the United States, after only heart disease and cancer, according to National Academy of Medicine research. In the U.S., medical mistakes are a major source of death and damage. Research published in the Journal of Patient Safety discovered that avoidable medical mistakes cause up to 440,000 fatalities in the United States each year. This implies that medical errors kill more people per year than vehicle accidents, breast cancer, or AIDS combined. Medical mistakes may happen everywhere, including hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, and other healthcare institutions. They can be caused by a variety of circumstances, such as insufficient training, poor communication, and insufficient error prevention mechanisms. Medical mistakes can have serious consequences. Patients should be aware of the dangers connected with medical care. Working with a medical malpractice lawyer can help you seek compensation for your injuries. Evidence? 5 statistics why medical mistakes are a major cause of mortality and injury in the United States. 1. According to research published by the National Academy of Medicine, medical mistakes are the third biggest cause of mortality in the United States, after only heart disease and cancer. 2. According to research published in the Journal of Patient Safety, avoidable medical mistakes cause up to 440,000 fatalities in the United States each year. 3. According to a survey performed by the National Center for State Courts, medical mistakes are the primary cause of malpractice claims in the United States. 4. According to research published in the New England Journal of Medicine, medical mistakes occur in around 3% of hospital admissions and cause considerable morbidity and mortality. 5. According to the Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality, hospital mistakes kill around 180,000 people each year, making them the 8th greatest cause of mortality in the United States. These figures highlight the substantial impact that medical mistakes may have on patients in the United States. They also emphasize the necessity of reducing the risk of medical mistakes and getting legal counsel if you or a loved one has been the victim of medical negligence. We're halfway through our video. Do click on our like and subscribe buttons for more good information. Point 2. Many medical malpractice victims are unaware that they have a legal case. It is typical for medical malpractice victims to be ignorant that they have a legal case. This might be due to several circumstances, such as a lack of awareness about their rights, ignorance about the legal procedure, or an unwillingness to take legal action. Just 30% of Americans who have experienced medical blunders are aware that they can seek legal redress, according to a National Center for State Courts report. As a result, many people who have been victims of medical negligence may be unaware that they could seek compensation and hold healthcare practitioners accountable. It's vital for patients to be aware of their legal options in cases of medical negligence. Patients who have experienced medical carelessness may be able to file a lawsuit against their doctor or midwife, or even the hospital they were treated at, if they've been misdiagnosed. Evidence? 4 facts why many victims of medical negligence are unaware they have a legal case. 1. According to a National Center for State Courts survey, only 30% of Americans who experience medical errors are aware that they can seek legal redress. 2. According to a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine, many patients who are victims of medical malpractice are unaware of their legal options. 3. According to National Academy of Medicine research, many victims of medical negligence do not file legal claims, even if they are eligible. 4. Victims of medical negligence often do not realize they are the victims of a medical error until it is too late, according to the National Health Services, NHS, Care Quality Commission, CQS, for England and Wales, formerly known as the Health Protection Agency. These cases show that many victims of medical negligence may be unaware that they have a legal case. Therefore, it's critical for patients to understand their rights and seek legal counsel if they've been the victim of medical malpractice. Comment on what you think about this. Point 3. Working with a local malpractice lawyer might be critical to obtaining the best possible outcome in a medical malpractice case. Consulting with a local malpractice lawyer can help you reach the best outcome in a medical malpractice case in a variety of ways. Working with a lawyer who is knowledgeable with the local legal system and has handled cases in your region offers 3 advantages. 1. Knowledge of local laws and regulations. A local lawyer can help you determine the strength of your case and the best route to pursuing compensation for medical malpractice in your region. 2. Understanding of local courts and judges. A local attorney will be familiar with local courts and judges, which can be helpful in figuring out the preferences and prejudices of certain judges and foreseeing any obstacles or hurdles in your case. 3. Availability for in-person consultations and meetings. Working with a local attorney can make it easier to arrange in-person consultations and meetings. Developing a strong attorney-client relationship is key to ensuring you have the support you need throughout the legal process. The greatest result in a medical malpractice lawsuit may generally be obtained by working with a local malpractice attorney. It's crucial to conduct research and hire a lawyer with experience managing instances much like yours. Evidence? 4 instances working with a local malpractice lawyer can help you obtain the best outcome in a medical negligence case. 1. According to a study published in the American Journal of Medicine, patients who work with local lawyers are more likely to receive higher settlements in medical malpractice cases. 2. According to a report published by the National Center for State Courts, cases handled by local lawyers are more likely to result in favorable outcomes for plaintiffs. 3. According to research conducted by the American Bar Association, plaintiffs who work with local attorneys are more likely to get compensation in medical negligence claims. 4. Several studies have also shown that cases handled by local attorneys are more likely to proceed to trial and result in larger damages awards. Local lawyers can help you navigate the legal process and get the best possible result for your case. This is most likely because they are experienced with the local legal system and have handled similar cases in your region. Do you know of someone who can benefit from this? Tell us in the comments section. Conclusion. 1. In the United States, medical mistakes are a leading cause of death and damage. 2. Many victims of medical misconduct are unaware that they have a legal case. 3. Working with a local malpractice lawyer can help you obtain the best outcome in a medical malpractice lawsuit since the lawyer is familiar with the local legal system and has handled cases in your region. If you are considering legal action in a medical malpractice case, consider consulting a local lawyer. A local attorney is more likely to be familiar with the local legal system and will have expertise managing cases in your region. Medical malpractice can have major effects for patients and their families. Address the case of medical malfeasance. Take action to obtain the justice and recompense you deserve and don't allow a medical error to destroy your life. Do your own research or ask a local attorney for advice if you're unsure if you can file a lawsuit for a medical mistake. Comment on what you think about this. Speak to a legal professional if you know of someone who can benefit from this. Comment on what you'd like us to feature next in our channel. Check out our playlists for more useful information like this. And remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.